Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Kartika Plaza Kuta Bali on 23 November 2021. So if you want to know how the station right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore Kartika Plaza area on 23 November 2021. Okay guys, you see right side? That is seafood restaurant, but they are closed since this the pandemic. And in the left side there is stadium, cafe and bar. Few days ago, I updated the station in Paradiso Legian. And now you see right side, Kuta Paradiso Hotels. Yeah, but this looks so quiet there. Okay guys, we continue driving in Kartika Plaza Street. If you see the weather today is so beautiful, I'm really happy to see that because it's very nice weather. You see on the right side, there is Melati Kuta Bungalow. Look very quiet, there is no car parking at the front of the hotel. And I already reviewed that hotel and you can find in this channel. Okay guys, while we continue this video, and if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video. And also don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali. Because there is a lot of people missing Bali for sure. Since this pandemic, it's hard to going down to Bali for 2 years. Okay guys, now we continue driving in Kartika Plaza Street. At the front left side, there is water boom park, the biggest water boom park in Asia. Yeah, we'll see together. Maybe there is someone missing this area. Oh, still look quiet. Okay, you see right side? Right side is Discovery Mall. This mall is the biggest mall on the street on Kartika Plaza because this mall is connecting by the beach. Yeah, but today it looks so quiet. It's very bad. On the end of this video, I will drive in past Bakung Beach Resort on request for my viewers. Because he say he always stay in that hotel when they come to Bali. Okay guys, right side there is Kartika Plaza Hotel, the biggest hotel in this area. Is to get in right side, and left side there is Bali Rani. Also look quiet, there is no car parking at the front of the hotels. If we see together, left side there is Sham shop is already open. That's really good. Yeah, there is shop are open there. And in the right side there is also Sham shop open. And this area is not so quiet. I mean, there is some car and motorbike drive around in this area. Also, I see some taxi parking beside the street. They're waiting for the customer. You see this area? Actually looks so beautiful, but it's very quiet. Right side, there is a lot of big hotel connecting by the beach. Hotel right side, and there is some car parking there. That's good. And left side, yeah, there is Eden Hotel. One bus parking there. It's mean like one big group local tourism from Java, they come to Bali because I will see the plate number. You see this area? How quiet it is. There is not so many cars. and motorbike drive around in this area. Just a few of them. It just looked like a bit better than a week ago, because a week ago I already explored this area too, so you can find down this video. But so far this area is so quiet, isn't it? You see right side, there is Lippo Mall Kuta. Yeah, also quiet there. You see the right side, there is a big hotel, and also there is a lot of people there. Arya Duta Hotel. Yeah, there is a lot of car parking there. That's good. That's really good. You see? Yeah, there's a lot of car parking there inside. Okay guys, now we continue driving in Kartika Plaza Street. Restaurant right side. It's kind of like a Chinese restaurant there. Very famous, and lots of people come down there. If I turn left at the front, that is the way to go to the airport, Nusa Dua and Denpasar. But I will turn right because I will explore Wana Segara Street. Yeah, now we are in Wana Segara Street. Actually, there is a lot of requests from my viewers. They want to know the update situation in this area. Yeah, there is some hotel are open in this area now, and also in the right side there is some shop are open. That's really good. And also I'm really happy today because today the weather is so clear, so beautiful. It's around 30 degrees. But if you see on the street, it looks so quiet, isn't it? Aston Kuta Hotel right side. Yeah, there's the big hotel. Actually some car parking there at the front. That's good. Let's see Risata Bali Resort in the right side. How busy up there, because they have big parking. But we will see together how many car parking today. Some car parking, yeah, but still quiet. That's better than nothing. Okay guys, now we continue driving in Wana Segara Street. Okay, let's see together how the situation at the moment at the front Rama Beach Resort in the right side. Yeah, there's car parking there. Yeah, there is like food court will be open soonly. And at the front left side there is Holiday Inn Resort. It's also a big resort and connecting by the beach. This is the entrance to go to Holiday Inn Resort. Yeah, because this resort exactly just beside German Beach. And right side there's also a hotel we call Sulis Beach Hotel. Yeah, there is some car parking there. That's really good. And this Holiday Inn, just close each other. Okay, now we are in Lippo Mall, Kuta Bali. And I will drive in past at the front Bakung Beach Resort on request, just exactly behind Lippo Mall. This is very small street. That is the way to go to German Beach. Yeah, you see right side, there is Bakung Beach Resort. It is looks so beautiful resort, isn't it? Look very nice to stay here because just nearby the beach. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Kartika Plaza Kuta Bali. Okay guys, support this channel by subscribe and hit the bell. And don't forget to share this video. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.